Hello, so I'm John Cedric Gumisan, a BSIT student. For today, we're going to transfer files from PC to PC, desktop to desktop using an Ethernet cable. So as you can see, I'm using a Windows 10 OS and Windows 11 OS. Before you start PC to PC transfer using Ethernet, make sure to connect both computers to a LAN cable and turn on the sharing options on both computers. So for step number 1, search this PC, then click Network. And then next, select the folder you want to share and right click on it. Choose Share With or Give Access To and then select Specific People. Then find the source computer on Windows 11 and double click and select your destination folder. And then after that, you can now drag any files such as Microsoft and browsers on the other computer, which is Windows 10. And then it will automatically transferred on the other desktop or computer. Gaya nga ng pinapakita ko sa video. And then, that's it. Thank you for watching.